guys, good afternoon. Riju won't say good afternoon because he's busy driving and today's traffic is crazy. It's been long time like we are out of our house. July has been really slow for both of us because we didn't travel much. But both of us were really feeling low, and for this weekend we have planned to go for camping with some of our friends. So now we'll go pick up some coconut water because Mama wanna have party tonight, and then we'll pick up our friends and then we'll go to a place called the Paradise Lost where we will be going for the camping and staying for a night. So yeah, see you there. We found some coconut vendor right next to our house and I'll pick some coconut water now. Bana, how much for 3 bottles? 3 bottles? How much? 800 for 3 bottles. 750. Give me 3 bottles. Okay, so now I have already bought 3 liters of coconut water, and now let's go and pick them up. Reju, show your style of holding. So they are our friends. We finally loaded our car. Tanu, say hi. Pooja, say hi. Bye. Okay, so we are all set for our camping. So we reached the camping site. It's beautiful, you can see at the background. So now we'll go and search for places where we can set up our tents. So as I mentioned, this place is called Paradise Lost. It has caves, it has a waterfall and islands. So before we put up our tent, we'll go and explore the place first. So you can see our friends there. So right now we are walking towards the waterfall and the caves. And for that we are supposed to pay 400, right? Per person? 400 per person. Okay, so now let's go and see the waterfall. Riju, you feeling okay?
Yeah. This is one more reason why we haven't been traveling a lot, because I have badly twisted my knee.
Yeah.
Just fingers crossed. Hope it's not too bad for the big event to happen in a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'm recovering.
This is so peaceful. Okay, let's keep walking. You're feeling okay?
Yeah, let's go.
It's a nice hike, yeah? You give me the camera. If you concentrate on your knee, you might fall. This is a beautiful place in the city heart. Perfect for camping, picnic, for day trips. You know, you can come with your friends and families, even for kids. It's a very nice place to hang around and play around. It's beautiful. So if you're coming here for camping, you need to pay 1000 shilling per night per person. And if you're driving your personal car, you'll have to pay 200 shillings for that.
So this place, Paradise Lost, is not very far from Nairobi, 30 minutes, and a perfect weekend spot where you can come with friends, chill out, enjoy, do camping, have some beer and just enjoy the scene.
You can see our friends and kids are having fun over there. But we came for camping, so we'll be staying here for the night and tomorrow we'll be heading home. Also, they offer activities like horse riding, zip lining, boat riding. You can also go for those. So we have already explored the other side of the lake and now we are going towards the caves. So let's go and see what's inside the cave. Okay, so before entering the cave, we found a beautiful waterfall. Just look at it. So finally we found the cave. It's called Mau Mau Stone Age Caves. So right now we are at the backside of the waterfall. Guys, look at it. It's gorgeous, man. It's beautiful. Alright, so now we are entering the cave. You can see it's pretty dark, so let me switch on my flashlight first. Yeah, so that's all about it about this cave. Nothing much to see. Oh, pretty suffocating inside, so Riju, let's go out again. So alright, we are now out of the caves. So finally we are back from the caves and waterfall, and now it's time to set our tents. We got the perfect place to set up our tent. Just imagine waking up to the lake. How gorgeous it is.
And Pooja is all ready to set up the tent. Putting up the bed sheet now. You want to take it?
Yeah. So if you're coming here to camping, it's better you carry your own blankets and clothes and bed sheets. And blankets which will keep us warm. Okay, so one more thing, you can rent mattress from there as well. They would charge 200 to 300 shillings per mattress. So come see how our tents looks.
Cozy, right?
Yay!
So I took the trouble of setting up the tent, and look who's relaxing.
So it's evening and people has already started munching. The kids are hungry. Riju, what about you?
Making the tea. Brilliant tea.
So what I like the most about this place is that they have good restaurants, cafeterias and bars. So if you're coming from home and don't want to carry your own eatables, you can definitely order it from here. So one more thing I forgot to mention is that they don't accept cash here. All you need to do is pay by M-Pesa. Even for the entries or for any eatables or other activities, all you need to do is pay by M-Pesa. Just keep that in mind. So it seems Tanush and Bhavi are really having a good time fishing.
Hi, my name is Tanush, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Pooja Auntie's channel.
Oh, how kind of you. Thank you, Tanush.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, the party has just begun and the guys are busy playing Yahtzee. So this is our counter, already messed up, and our friends are trying to make the dinner. All we have is barbecue chicken. Looks delicious. So guys, we finished our dinner and really had a good time with our friends. It's 2 AM in the morning and now we are literally tired. So yeah, we are inside our tent right now. So good night. See you in the morning. Good morning. morning, guys.
Good morning.
We just woke up by the lake. It's a beautiful morning. It's really so peaceful here. So we'll just go and check what our friends are up to, and if they are awake, we'll go and prepare some breakfast. So alright, everybody is already up by now, and I think they are preparing some tea and coffee, so let's go and check. Okay, so the tea is happening.
So, Pooja, are you making the tea?
No, I'm not, I'm just staring. Cheers to a wonderful morning.
Okay, wait.
Looks like Pooja is making breakfast. Pooja, what's there?
Toasted bread, and I'll make some scrambled eggs.
Okay.
Scrambled eggs looks nice, no?
Yes.
Also, there are some people who has come for Sunday picnic. This is a perfect place to be. So the kids went for rowing. I think they're having fun. Hi! Tanush, Bhavya, you guys had fun?
Yes, but very tiring. Very tiring.
It was tiring?
And the red.
Sure? Oh. Okay, so the plan was we'll finish our breakfast and then head back home directly. But now we have realized that we have a lot of leftover foods from the previous night and we have to finish all of those. So we decided to stay back, finish our lunch and then go back home. So let's go and see what's there for lunch. So for lunch we have leftover chapatis, which is now converted into roll, stuffed with chicken and eggs. So finally it's time to head back home. Riju has already arranged the boot. Tanush, you enjoyed?
Yes.
We had a lovely night and an amazing stay here. So hope you like the video, guys, and
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's right. So hope you like the video. So if you have liked the video, what you need to do is to subscribe to our channel
and hit that notification bell, guys, so whenever we upload a new video you get notified.
So see you.
See you from Paradise Lost. Bye, Bhavya.